The Placker's Grind No More Night Guard features boil-free and instant fit protection from nighttime grinding and clenching. To use your Grind No More, carefully open the individually packaged dental guard by pulling back the foil lid. If you plan to use your dental guard for more than one night, don't detach the foil lid completely from the packaging container. Your dental guard is ready to use. No boiling, cutting, or molding is required. Simply place the dental guard in your mouth on your upper or lower teeth, whichever is more comfortable for you. The retention band should be placed between your front teeth and your lip while placing the biting pads on your molars. Close your mouth, gently rest your teeth on the biting pads, and relax. That's it. For storing purposes, simply rinse the dental guard and place it in the packaging container and cover with the foil lid. Now enjoy a great night's sleep and rest easy knowing your teeth will be protected all night long.